Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I recreated this Tamannaah Bhatia-inspired makeup look. As soon as I saw this look, I just fell in love. This, guys, is one of the easiest looks I've done. If you're a beginner, do not worry, just follow, and now let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to apply the K-Beauty Primer drops. I'm just going to use my hands to blend it. I love using this because it really hydrates my skin and also get absorbed in the skin real fast. I am going to use the K-Beauty foundation and I'm going to take one pump of this. Just place it all over my face and then blend it. This foundation just blends like a dream. I'm making the pandal right now in my society, so you might hear some kind of noise. Also, if you're looking for a good foundation brush, I would definitely recommend this. This is the Swiss Beauty Foundation Blender brush. I'm just also going to apply some on my eyelids. I love how it blended, guys. I'm going to use the Sugar Concealer. Please do not judge me by this. It just broke and I don't even want to buy a new one. इसमें अभी भी बहुत product बाकी है. And I'm blending this with a brush. I am not dragging the product, I'm just stippling it. And wow, this is the reason why I love this concealer. It just blends like a dream. I think I need a little bit more right here because यहाँ पे अभी भी थोड़ा सा darkness है. You guys asked me if I use a concealer which is lighter than my skin tone. I use concealer in the shades of my skin tone because if I use a lighter one, then it just appears a little bit ashy, which I don't like at all. I use a concealer which has a yellowish undertone also because I feel like it just cancels out my dark circles and I don't have to apply a color corrector separately. Now I'm going to apply a powder and I'm going to use the Sugar All Set to Go translucent powder. This is a white powder and I'm going to use my Pack 219 brush. This sponge में जितना भी white powder है, I'm just pressing it on top of this and I am applying it on my under eye area just to set my concealer real nicely. Very lightly, you can just press it under your eyes. And do not take much powder, guys, otherwise your under eye area will crease, it will not look good. Now I'm gonna take my Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector and I'm gonna fill in the gaps. I just switched on this light. Base is done. Now we're moving on with our eyes. For my eyes, I'm going to use a very unusual palette. It's from Swiss Beauty. It's called the Luster palette. I'm going to use this peach shade on the crease of my eyes. This is a very pigmented eyeshadow palette and you just need a little bit of color and just deposit the color in the crease and then blend it. Guys, please don't mind if the camera placement is a little bit here or there because I am trying to shoot a transition reel for Instagram. Next, I'm going to take a slightly darker shade, which is this one. And I'm going to take this and put it on the outer corner and the inner corner also. So just the inner corner and also the outer corner. We're going to keep the middle empty because we're going to add a bronzy golden shade in the middle. Just make sure to blend the edges really nicely. You can also add this shade on my bottom lash line. Oh, that's looking nice. Next, I'm going to take this shade. This is a very pretty golden shade. So I'm just going to use my fingers and apply it in the center of my eyelids. The pigmentation is more if you apply it with your fingers. But then I'm going to go back with I'm going to add a little bit more on my outer corner, just a little bit more. Next, I'm going to take this Seri Kajal, it's in the shade black, and I'm going to apply the Kajal on my upper lash line. So something like that for now. Now I'm also going to put it on my lower lash line and I am not going to use any black Kajal on my waterline because I'll put a white eyeliner, white Kajal on my waterline area and just apply a very faint, a very light line of kohl of kajal because we're anyway gonna smudge it with a black eyeshadow. I'm going to use the K-Beauty Wild and Free eyeshadow palette and I'm going to use this black shade. I'm going to use the Plume P09 brush. I'm going to use this black eyeshadow and just smudge it very neatly. I am going to smudge my lower lash line. Don't bring it too down, otherwise it's gonna give you raccoon eyes vibe and we don't want that. This can go real bad real fast, so be very careful. I'm going to take the same black eyeshadow and just wing it out just a little bit, drawing a sharp line at the end. Now we're going to take the Lakme Absolute Explore eye pencil and this is the shade white. I'm just going to apply it on my waterline And for the mascara, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. It just gives so much volume to my lashes. So I'm back with my eyelashes on. The lashes I'm using are from Renee. These are Ash, the fiery one. Eye makeup is done. It's so gorgeous. She's wearing a beautiful pink blush and I'm really confused which pink to use. I've got this one from Nykaa. It's in the shade Malibu Barbie. I love this pink shade. Or I also have this option of using a Swiss Beauty blush and I'm really confused which one to use. Okay. Swiss Beauty. I am going to use the PAC 211 brush and I'm going to use this pretty pink shade right here. This is in the shade number 02, guys, and I'm just going to take this. It's very pigmented and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks. Always bring your blush like upar ki taraf, like that. I'm going to use the Sugar Contour de Force Face Palette in the shade Subtle Summit. I am going to use this contour shade. And I'm going to contour my jawline. For my highlighter, I'm going to use Key Beauty highlighter today. This is in the shade Frosted Ice. And apply it on the high points of my cheekbones. Ooh, wow. Nose, my Cupid's bow and chin. And a little bit in the middle of the forehead right here. Another trick is अगर आपको लगता है कि blush ज़्यादा हो गया है या फिर the highlighter is too much, then you can take a foundation brush and आप ऐसे उसको blend कर सकते हो so that effect थोड़ा diffused हो जाता है and it looks more natural. Now the last thing is lipstick. First of all, I'm going to take this peach lip liner. This is from Auric. This is a very pretty peach shade. If you have any other shade which is similar to this, you can use that. So I'm just going to outline my lips. I'm going to use this Mars lipstick in the shade Office Meeting. It's a very pretty peach. She has a nice hint of peach and pink. I'm going to use a little bit of concealer on my lips. Thoda sa, just to get the perfect shade that she's wearing. Oh my god, I love the lip shade even more. Tamannaah has a little bit of gloss on her lips. I'm going to take this K Beauty gloss and I'm going to add a little bit on top. Just enough for the shine. These are the earrings that I'm going to wear today. I purchased it online. Shayad Amazon se. If I find the link, guys, I'm definitely going to link it. Next, I'm going to wear this Mang Tika. Guys, I changed my mind. I'm going to wear these earrings. These look more similar to Tamannaah's. Now I'm going to wear the Mang Tika and I'll be right back. Done with my Mang Tika. I'm going to take the same eyeshadow, the golden shade, and I'm going to apply it in the inner corners of my eyes. I am in love with this look. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and found it helpful. Guys, do let me know if you are going to try this. If you don't want to wear this, then don't wear this. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel right now if you aren't yet subscribed. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.